After all, one could argue after 2,600 years it could be questionable. But thanks to 21st century science, specifically DNA analysis, we can be sure there's a definite ancient genetic connection to the area, specifically Judea. The Jewish claim is that their history goes back some 4,000 years, but in the interest of science, we'll stick to the genetics because after the 3,000-year mark, the DNA gets a little fuzzy, as it was described in one modern science magazine. The genetic markers even show different exiles Jews suffered over the centuries by how the blood was mixed with European countries they fled to, which would explain why so many Jews barely resemble their ancient ancestors. Genetics show us that many Jews converted to Islam, and others in their new adopted countries even converted to Christianity. And with the modern Israeli Jew, we found the female genetic markers were anywhere from 60 to 90% European, and the male markers were around 50 to 60% Jewish. When matched with the Palestinian genetic markers, the so-called Jewish genetic markers were indistinguishable from the European Jews. The major difference here is European Jews reflects the many exiles and the intermarriages that one would expect from displacement, showing them to be as much, if not more, European as they are Jewish, whereas the indigenous population shows no dilution of Arabic or Jewish genetics.